Welcome once again. Let's talk about cryptocurrency. Now, if you need crypto job, you can apply. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Now, the salary are between $120,000 to $500,000. Okay, now the jobs both for Web3, blockchain, and cryptocurrency jobs. I think right now they're actually looking for head of investor engagement and fundraising. Now, from anywhere, any country, wherever you are, you can apply for this, and it's a full-time job, and the salary is between $130,000 to $160,000 annually. They're also looking for head of copy, and it's from anywhere, no matter where you are, you can apply. And it's a full-time job, and I think you can be working from home. This is $80,000 to $110,000 yearly. And also they're looking for digital communications lead. Okay, and the salary is between $70,000 to $100,000. And they're also looking for distributed system testing engineer, and the salary is between $100,000 to $120,000 yearly. Also, they're looking for community marketing and communication strategists, and the salary is from $70,000 to $100,000 yearly. Now, these are some of the jobs, and I'm going to drop the job link in the description below. Please, you can check, you can apply if you are looking for cryptocurrency jobs, and you can see the amount they are paying. They're actually paying a very high price, and there are also more jobs you can also apply. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification in order not to miss our next video. So once again, thank you for stopping by.